They are telling that this channel video quality are of supreme. Hi guys, myself Shubham Sharma, and in today's video we would be discussing about the top 3 channels so as to learn the data structures and algorithm, that is DSA, for free. So I have basically listed down those the YouTube channels. On the number 3, I have placed the channel Free Code Camp. It is basically an English channel. Then on the number 2, I have placed Apna College channel. The video quality for the DSA round is too good for it. Okay, you may also go for it if you want to learn in Hindi. Then on the number 1, I have placed the channel name Code Help by Love Babbar. Okay, basically I have seen the reviews of the various students learning through it. Okay, so they are telling that this channel video quality are of supreme, or you may say this channel video quality for the DSA round are best, especially for the C++, because he's teaching in C++. Okay, so I will meet you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.
जितना चबा सके उतना ही खोलना तू मुंह, क्योंकि ज्यादा हैवी से भर जाता गोलियों में पानी।